So you have an Upwork profile or you're thinking of creating one, but you're wondering, what the hell do I need to do to get my clients' attention? Keep on watching to learn more. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Sylvia and I do videos all about succeeding as a freelancer using Upwork and social media. So if that's something you're into, don't forget to hit subscribe. Today, we're talking about the top 3 most important things in your Upwork profile that will help you land more clients. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first thing in today's list is your portfolio. This is your main proof of work where you'll show your clients, hey, this is what I've done and what I can do for you as well. Remember what I always say, clients want to know what's in it for them. They want to know you're not all talk, that you can actually do what you say you can do, and the best way to do that is to show them stuff that you've already done. Now, I can already hear you say, oh, but I just haven't done anything yet. First of all, I find that hard to believe. Second of all, if you really haven't, go do something. Yes, it really is that simple. Go do something for yourself, for a friend, for a made-up brand, or even for a beta client, and then take what you've done and show it off on your profile. Like, it doesn't need to be paid work to be able to be shown on your profile. Oh, and by the way, if you're not sure what a beta client is, I'll have a link down below of a video that I've done explaining all of that. Now, the second thing I want to talk about in today's video is testimonials. It's not enough to show what you've done. You have to have people vouching for yourself, or you don't have to, but it's really helpful. And yes, you won't have any actual reviews on Upwork when you're just starting out, but did you know that you can actually request testimonials from people you've worked with outside the platform? You know, past employers, beta clients, friends and family. You can invite them all to leave you a testimonial, no account needed. Once you have that, your profile will be much more complete. You'll be telling your client what you can do in your overview. You'll have your work to kind of back that up and show off your skills. And you'll have people vouching for yourself in the testimonial section. Number 3 in this list, you may have guessed it, is video. Now, it wouldn't be a Sylvia video if I didn't mention the benefits of doing video. Would it? Truth is, by doing video, you are connecting to the client. They're seeing you and your personality, and they get the feeling that they know you in a way. Listen, I know video is intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. I'm talking about a 1 to 2 minute video, which you can definitely script out beforehand if that helps you. It definitely helps me with these videos. And then simply record it with your phone, cut out the fluff, and just upload it. Remember, nobody has to see it besides your client, and you'll thank me later. Now, what do all of these things have in common? We've talked about getting your portfolio up on your profile, getting testimonials, and recording a video, and these may seem a little different from each other, but they all help you build trust with your clients. This is especially important if you're just starting out because it can be harder for a client to trust a newbie. But if you have all 3 of these in your profile, it'll be much easier for them to give you the benefit of the doubt. Now, I'm currently putting in the final touches on something that's coming out super soon to help you land more clients and find success on Upwork. So if you're interested in learning more about it when it launches, click the link down below and sign up for the waitlist. It's no commitment to join, and by joining you get my 5-step checklist for Upwork success for free. So it's a no-brainer if you ask me. And also, be sure to join us right here on this channel next week for a live all about how to succeed on Upwork, where we'll have a Q&A section at the end so you can ask me any questions that you have. In the meantime, I recommend you watch this video right here where I answer the 5 most asked questions about Upwork. You may find your answer there, so I'll see you there.